Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 4. Get ready for the dictation. Start. People talk about the public sector and the private sector. Stop. Does the House realize that the biggest and the overwhelming part of the private sector is the private sector of the peasants in India? Question mark. That is the real private sector in our country, not the few factories we have stopped. There is much discussion about the public sector and the private sector stop. I said the other day and have said it more than once that I attach great importance to the public sector stop. The pattern of society that we look forward to is a socialist pattern of society which is classes casteless stop. So far as the Congress is concerned, for a long time past, it has laid down its objective as a casteless society, which obviously can be attained only in a socialistic pattern stop. But I would beg of you not to imagine that because socialism conceives of nationalized industry, therefore you must have all industry nationalized stop. I think that as the socialist pattern grows, there is bound to be more and more nationalized industry, but what is important is not that there should be an attempt to nationalize everything, but that we should aim at the ultimate result, which is higher production and employment stop. If by taking any step you actually hinder the process of production and employment from growing, then that does not lead you to the socialistic pattern stop. In a country like India, where money, trained personnel, and experience are lacking, we have to take advantage of such experience, training, and money as we have stopped. We want to make this business of building up India a cooperative enterprise of all the people stop. We try to avoid conflicts and try to avoid taking steps which have a chilling effect on this pattern stop. We want to go ahead in regard to production and employment stop. That is the vital thing stop. And in order to attain that, we have to create the right atmosphere and encourage initiative stop. In regard to the public and the private sector, it is obvious that with the limited resources we have in the hands of the state, we cannot do all that we want to do at the present moment stop. We shall, of course, try to do as much as we can stop. But some people suggest that we must prevent the private sector from functioning in the field of industries stop. I think such an idea comes from confused thinking stop. I do not understand this attitude stop. I want a socialist society in India stop. I want to get out of this framework of an acquisitive society, but I am not going to get it by merely passing resolutions, etc. Stop.